So it's a great pleasure and honour to come to this meeting in this beautiful venue and to take part in discussions of these important topics. My presentation was about the variability of asthma in children. It is not one disease but many. In the preschool child, particularly a pure form of episodic viral wheeze is common. Later on, different phenotypes of asthma appear, and it's very clear that severe asthma is very different in children than in adults. Our own studies have shown that the eosinophil is the key cell, and that many of these patients are highly atopic, very different from the obese, non-inflamed, female predominant severe asthma phenotype seen in adults. Interestingly, whereas the results of anti-Th2 strategies in adults have been dramatic, in children who have yet to be studied, the evidence that Th2 cells drive the eosinophilic inflammation is absent. And we in fact failed to find much of a Th2 signal in either induced sputum, bronchoalveolar lavage, or airway biopsy. And the SARC group from North America had similar findings. What is important is that pediatric asthma comes back in adult life, manifesting as premature onset of obstructive airways disease and COPD. So, for example, nearly half the severe asthmatics recruited by the Melbourne study more than 50 years ago now have COPD. And these adults with COPD had severe impairment of lung function right back in childhood. So childhood asthma is one of the important antecedents of adult airway disease. There are many different forms of it, and we need to study them carefully to try to achieve prevention of asthma very early in life.